I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your billing information on Stash, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Launch the Stash app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your billing settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note: double-check the card expiration date. It is a common mistake to overlook this detail. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your billing information, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check that your new details are displayed correctly. That is it. You've successfully updated your billing information on Stash. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy investing!